My name is Lasse Kronborg Brickmann Nielsen. I live in a little town called Hjørring in the country Denmark.
What brought you to India and to Vijaya Nethralaya?
It wasn't so straightforward because first I was looking at Prague and then I looked at Turkey, but then I found out that the skilled surgeons are actually in India. So I started researching, and that's when I found Dr. Sushruth and how I ended up here, because when you look at the reviews, this is the place to go.
What kind of eye problem or condition did you have before coming here?
I was farsighted and I had astigmatism, and that's why I had to use contact lenses all the time, and if I didn't use contact lenses I had to use glasses, and I didn't want to wear any of it. So the idea for me was to come down here and be independent of that.
How did you feel about the consultation and diagnosis process?
I felt that everything was taken care of. I could see that all the new machines were there, and every single thing was being turned upside down and looking into, can this be a problem, can that be a problem, but in the end everything was solved. So I feel like you have the real equipment and the best equipment at that point also.
What type of surgery did you undergo?
Yeah, so I had the Refractive Cataract Surgery. Again, I wanted to be free of my spectacles, so that's why I chose that. I chose a premium lens for that, one called the Galaxy Toric, the Ray 1 Galaxy Toric.
What kind of eye problem or condition did you have before coming here?
The problem was that first of all, I didn't like my lenses, especially when I have astigmatism. Then when I blinked sometimes, light it could have some distortion on my sight. And I definitely didn't want to wear glasses because then they fog up, then when it rains it goes somewhere. No, I didn't like glasses at all. So yeah, I really wanted to be independent of the spectacles.
How was your experience during the surgery? Were you comfortable and well cared for?
Yeah, so about a minute before, maybe half a minute, I was extremely nervous because having somebody doing something with your eyes is a natural thing to be afraid of. But as soon as I was laying there on the bench, there was absolutely no problem. Everything was calm, and I was explained what was going on. I really liked that. And so yeah, everything just went well, and I felt like I was in a good hand.
How would you describe your experience with our doctors and staff?
I would say it's top shelf. There's absolutely nothing to say about that. I have tried different hospitals, both in Denmark and in Turkey, and you feel like you're just a number. And down here you're being taken care of, like it's personal. They really want you to have the best vision you possibly can get.
How do you feel after the surgery?
I would have thought it would have been worse getting a surgery, but I feel absolutely nothing. My vision was a little bit blurred in the beginning, but it quickly went away. I'm already now at a point where I would say, even if it doesn't improve from here, I'm super happy with the vision I have now. The last test I got is already at 20/20, so I couldn't be more happy about it.
Are you satisfied with the results?
Yes, I'm super satisfied. And because I chose this lens it's a slow improving lens, meaning my brain has to adjust. So over the next 2 to 3 months, it will only get better, and I can't even imagine it getting better. So I'm thrilled. I can't wait.
Would you recommend Vijaya Nethralaya to others looking for eye career?
100%. I already talk with people in groups on Facebook, Reddit, and when I come home, I think I'll make a web page that can explain how to get to India and where to go. Because I think for me it was an eye opener. That coming here and how professional everything was, and I want to spread that word to my friends and other people around.
Would you like to share any message to our doctors or future patients?
Yeah, I don't know what I should tell the doctor either than keep doing what he's doing, because that's just amazing and excellent. For other people, if you are a little bit worried or nervous about getting either LASIK or cataract surgery or refractive cataract surgery, just do it, because it has absolutely no pain. It's changing your life. For me, going out now, even before when I was using my contact lenses, everything feels different and nice and vivid now. The air is different because you don't have a contact lens on. So if you have any doubts about it, I would just go ahead and do it, because it will change everything for you.